Okay, here we are, step 4. Already been first coated. Always start with the edges first. Direction is your own choice. Sorry, I'm in the way of the camera. There you go. Let that set up for a few minutes, then I'll move it to inside. It's really cold, so I have a heater going inside so nothing falls out of the sky on top of it, but looks pretty decent. Pretty much that's it. And so I'll get back to I guess hanging them will be the next step. Alright. Very economical. $12 a can. So sandpaper cost and just some time. And you know, it's totally doable. You could probably do it yourself for less than $100, depending how many cabinets you have, but very economical, and you'll see the finished product. I'm sure you'll be happy with it. Okay, I'll see you on the next step.